Just really just to help me be continual, constant. I can't think of the word right now. Consistent with my skincare. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Maya. Today I'm doing another skincare video. I just did some basics, brush my teeth and comb my hair or whatever. Brush comb. I have twist in and I like brushed it back into a ponytail. Anyway, mini twist. I'm trying the mini twist method to grow my hair out. So there's a bunch of product in it, and I've been trying to pretty much put moisture in it like every day, every other day. So it's wet right now, but it'll dry. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my skincare for the day. I've been breaking out like crazy, like I've been telling y'all, like a lot. Don't really know why. I feel like that product that I showed in the last video has really triggered my skin, and it's just been breaking out. I don't really know, but I'm gonna go ahead and just start with this. I bought the CeraVe Renewing Salicylic Acid Cleanser. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with the Salicylic Acid Renewing Cleanser. I bought this for normal skin. I don't know what kind of skin type I have at this point. Dry, oily, acne. I know I have an acne problem, but the rest of it, I'm starting to feel like I have oily skin. Don't really know, but it doesn't feel like it. So anyway, I'm washing my face, and you know, that's a big pump I got. The rules: wash it for 30 seconds to a minute. I typically wash it. Hold on, let me bring y'all up. This is just too low. There you go, all the way up. Okay. Yeah, I typically wash my face for a full minute. Just wash it for a minute, and my setup feels different from last time. I don't know. I'm picking up this pimple I really shouldn't. Wash it for a full minute. Get all the dirt and grime and just. Yeah, it's funny because like when I wash my face twice a day, it doesn't really ever feel dirty, which is a good thing. Like you don't really want your face to, gonna have dirty skin and whatnot. I'm rambling. Washing my face with the Salicylic Acid Cleanser. I'm gonna rinse this off and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and wiped all the product off my face. Now we're going to go to the next step, which is let's see what I have down here. That's my nighttime stuff. I don't have. Okay, gonna use some. I don't want to use that toner to death, the glycolic acid one. So then I'm just gonna use this discoloration brightening serum, discoloration correcting serum, and then I have daily brightening serum. I don't really know what they do, but I'm gonna use this one. I should tone my skin, but I don't think it's not really making a difference. I'm gonna just use one because I feel like I used a lot last time. Yeah, that's enough. One pump is more than enough. And this is to tone your skin. I don't know, whatever. It's not really making a huge difference to me in my skincare journey. It doesn't seem to be. Anyway, only thing that seems to be making a difference are the extremely harsh things, but the other stuff, like I say all the time, is kind of good. Just like filler products to help maintain something. I don't know. Just really just to help me be continual, constant. I can't think of the word right now. Consistent with my skincare. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this absorb for a few minutes, and I'll come back with the next step. I think I am gonna put this Azelaic Acid suspension product on. I'm definitely gonna put this on, and then sunblock. That's probably it. This, and sunblock. All right, this first. This is more like a serum, and then this. Okay, let me let this absorb, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that that has dried, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my faded, baby. I'm faded. All I wanna do, try to home to you, baby. Anyway, applying the faded topicals. Hopefully it's making a difference, y'all. It has some, I think niacinamide and azelaic is supposed to be good for acne also. Yeah, but I wasn't noticing these were doing enough for my acne, especially now that I'm breaking out like consistently, which is weird. So, putting it all over the face. Put it all over my face. And I'm gonna let that absorb. Now I heard like the darkness around your mouth is hormonal. So I'm like, I gotta look into that. What like hormonal imbalances or whatever is causing that, because y'all know that's the main thing I've been trying to get rid of. So I need to do some more research on the hormonal imbalances. So licorice root is a brightening agent. All these are brightening agents. Tranexamic acid, melatonin. I don't really know what melatonin does for the skin, other than it helps you go to sleep. Niacinamide, licorice root, and azelaic acid, and kojic acid. So this is really, really good for, you know, it's supposed to be good for brightening, for uneven skin tones. And I've been, it's all over the place with my skincare. I have been semi-consistent with it, but I don't know. I don't know. Like, it looks good in some lights. I think the main thing for me is exfoliation. When my skin is exfoliated and moisturized, it looks so much better. Like right now, it looks pretty good. But at times when I'm like, you know, not taking care of my skin, I just feel like it doesn't look the best that it could. So that's I'm gonna let the faded skincare sit for a few minutes, and I'll come back and probably put the Azelaic on and then sunblock. That's gonna be it for today. All right, more Azelaic with 10% suspension formula. All right, be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put my clothes on. Now I'm gonna do the last step, which is just the Azelaic, not the last, second to last, Azelaic acid suspension. Yeah, I never know how much of this to put on because it has a very weird, like almost silicone. I really shouldn't put it on the way I did. Really, this is kind of a product that's good to put on your skin and rub in because it feels very weird. It's always felt weird. It used to feel grainy. The Azelaic acid suspension from The Ordinary. Now it feels like silicone. I think Azelaic acid is one of those products that is maybe hard to formulate with. But it also looks like it's doing something, but it, hard to work with, and maybe it's unstable. That's what I'm looking for, like vitamin C. So I don't know, but it's also in faded, the faded topicals, and it feels good. And I like their formulation, it's great. This one, not so much. This formulation is a little strange, but anyway. So that's pretty much that. Okay, now I'm gonna let this sit, and then I'm gonna use my sunscreen. So this is the Relief Sun Rice and Probiotic Sunscreen, Korean sunscreen brand, 50+ SPF. Is this? I was like, let me bring this over just in case I can read anything that's in here that it says. It's in Korean, so I can't really read it. Fermented. Well, it does, the ingredients are in English, but and also Korean, but I'm not reading all those ingredients. It has coconut. There's a bunch of different stuff. I don't know, but when I was looking up good sunscreens for brown skin, dark skin that are, you know, don't leave a white cast, this was one of the top ones that come up. Beauty of Joseon. Beauty of Joseon. This one and the other one that I just finished that one, so I had to get that again to show y'all. But I'll be using this one mostly because I'm trying to find a good quality. I was looking for good quality sunscreens, and I think these two, I haven't used this one yet, but the other one that I used was just the Isa-tree, something like that. That one was good. I'll put it on the screen. And the other one, there was another one that I got from Amazon, but that one had fragrance. So this is fragrance free, no white cast, and also, you know, Korean sunscreens are just superior, as we've all heard anyway. And I like the other one better than, like, the American sunscreens are sticky sometimes. Now that one did leave my skin dry. Let's see about this one. Let's go ahead and put it on. Forget it. It hasn't been 5 minutes yet, but whatever. I already started the process. Fragrance free. Yep. A lot of the Korean sunscreens have like the water gel consistency. You guys know about water gels. If you're into skincare, those are products that are a little bit thinner in consistency, and they kind of absorb into your skin better. They're almost mixed between like a gel or, you know, a gel and a cream. That's what they're called, water gels. At least that's what I believe. Yeah, this one's nice. I like it. No white cast, as you can see. And I didn't put a whole lot. You know, you're supposed to do the 2 fingers. I just usually put a big daub and kind of rub it in. I might put some more on, but yeah, I like this one. So these 2 are good. I'm going to repurchase these 2. This one and the other one that I put on the screen. I will be repurchasing these. I already have 2. So I won't be buying sunscreen for, you know, a little while. This one's brand new. As you saw, I took the tab off, and this one was a brand new one in here. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, my name is Maya. Leave all your comments and concerns below. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for your time, guys. Bye for now.